Hello, I'm Bill Rogers with the Rogers Shooting School. I'm here to talk about a new product for dry fire drills. It's called a tap rack training aid. It was the concept was from one of my instructors, and we've taken it to a professional level and produced this part. It's in a safety orange color. You can actually take it and put it in the top of a magazine just like you would load a standard round, load it into an empty magazine. What that does is it positions the follower down so that when you put it into a weapon, it will not allow the slide to lock back with the slide lock. So what that allows us to do is that we can actually take and do dry firing drills and work the action so that we can, without having to take and jack out an empty round, or I'm sorry, a dummy round, it allows us to work the action. It also allows us to learn what we call the tap rack feature. So if we have a malfunction, that what we do is we would take and just start with the magazine slightly released, let the operator pull the trigger, hear the click, then tap, work the action, come back up and fire the shot again. So this is a manipulation drill that we work through with our students before we start with live fire ammunition. Further, it also allows us to teach reloading drills. And so you can take that magazine that you're working with the tap rack training aid, and put it in your pouch. And then you could start with a standard magazine, which will lock the slide back. So then you could go on target and make the reloading situation where you insert and come back up to drop the slide as an unloading mechanism. And what that allows us to do is practice reloading in your house or through dry fire practice without the concern of accidentally loading a live round into the weapon, or without the need for using dummy rounds, which you have to pick up off the ground and place back in the magazine. Adds in safety, because it's easy to see with the safety orange that it's not a real bullet, and at the same time it prevents the possibility of loading a live round when you're putting dummy rounds into the weapon. So it's a great safety aid. It allows us to take and do multiple dry fire drills without having to pick up dummy rounds. Thank you.